and create a Python program. Let's create a new Python program for the rainbow. I'm gonna import turtle and then set up the screen. Screen here. We do the pen equals turtle function, and then we define some circle in this. Let me just define that back. Let's copy this. Okay, let's define the semicircle. Put the colors. And now we set it up. SC setup 600 by 600. Here, set up the background color to black. Let's see that the color black. Set up the pen, the right angle 90 degrees. Set up the width 10. Set up this speed at 7. Let's do the for loop for I in range of 7. Colon. Do the semicircle function that we had defined a while ago. For the column, we iterate that at I, comma, multiply it 10 on the radius times I plus 8. So I'm going to do that 8 times. And then the value is negative 10 times I plus 1. I plus 1. And then close that together. Okay. Go. It's our rainbow. Okay.